Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Rebaid, okay, rebate.com. And you're on here and you're wondering, can you really make 100% off rebates, right? Can you really make your money back through purchasing products from this website? Is this a real website or is this a fake website? Well, I'm going to do a full review of Rebate and then you can decide whether or not you want to get some cash back, save some money while you're doing some shopping on this website, all right? Now, Rebate is a 100% legitimate website. They've been around for a while and they work with some of the biggest retailers out there like Target, Walmart, eBay, and Etsy. All right. Now, the cool thing about Rebate is you can really get cash back to the volume of what they're talking about here. So, for example, if you come onto their website and all you have to do is just sign in and register, it's very, very easy, okay? And then if you were to shop through their website, what will happen is depending on what product you're looking to purchase, you will be redirected to the appropriate website. So whether that's Etsy or whether that's Amazon or Target or wherever their retailer is, and you will actually get the cash back for whatever they're talking about here. So if you were to buy this 3-in-1 car cup holder, okay, you will really get 80% cash back. So the original price was $21.88. You will really only have to pay $4.38, which means you get a rebate of about $16. It's huge, okay? And if you look at this one, the mindset is everything canvas wall art, right? If this really interests you, then you pay $7 and you get rebated basically, what is that, $28. It's incredible, 80% cash back, right? And then this Moringa tea, it's pretty much free after the rebate, 100% cash back, okay? So you might be wondering, well, Aaron, how does this even work? I mean, this is a massive cash back because a lot of cash back platforms only give you a little bit of cash back, right? Most of them will give you like 10% cash back, 15% cash back, maybe 30% cash back. But these guys are giving away 80%, 100%, 50%, 30%, 50%. Some pretty big cash back, 31%, 50%. Okay, so you might be wondering, well, how does this actually work? Okay, well, this basically works like this. A lot of these products right here on Rebate on their website, they're not huge brand names. Okay, a lot of the time these are brand new retailers that are coming into the market and they're trying to make it on some of these platforms like eBay, Walmart, and Target. Okay, or their brand new products. So what they're doing is they're using Rebate as a marketing expense website. They're using it to market their products out there. So they're hoping that, look, if they give you their Moringa tea for free, they're basically paying $12.99 in marketing expense. Okay, well, it doesn't really cost them $12.99. It's probably cheaper for them to manufacture the product, but it gets the brand name out there, right? So they get to promote their Moringa tea, and if you like it, you're probably going to look for this brand again and keep buying it from the original website. So maybe that's on Target or maybe that's on eBay, right? And you will start to pay the original price for that product later down the line, right? So this is kind of like a marketing exercise for a lot of these brand new retailers, smaller retailers, okay? And so you're not going to find big retailers or big brand products on Rebate because it doesn't make sense to give away their products for free or for such big discounts, okay? But this is real, all right? And the way it works is when you come through Rebate and you buy the products, like Laird's coffee, right? What will actually happen is you will get your rebate back into your bank account by direct deposit in about 5 days. Okay, so it's very easy to set up, and it's a cool website, really cool, really legit, and they've got tons of reviews on Trustpilot, very very high. It's about 4.5%, and Trustpilot is an independent, a paid review platform. So if they're using Trustpilot, it is very very legit. All right. So if you want to check out Rebate, you can. It's a 100% legitimate rebate website, and their cashback percentages are very very high. So you can check them out. Okay. Now please understand that this is not a way for you to make money online. This is a way for you to save some money. All right. So if you are a retailer and you want to, save a little bit of money and you don't mind shopping around for some of their products, again, you might not find what you really want on this website because it's completely random, right? So you've got everything from, oat soap to coffee to stainless dog bowls, right? To some olive oil a Rubik's Cube Swarovski necklace. You may not even need that, right? But again, it's just kind of random products out to smart light bulbs. So it's super random products, and you're gonna have to search through it. So you might not find what you need, but you may find what you need as well, and you might be able to save a little bit of money, which is pretty cool. Okay, so cool little way to save a little bit of money. It's a great rebate website. It's got my stamp of approval. All right, but it's not going to be able to make you money online. It's going to help you to save some money, all right, over the long term. But if you're looking for a way to make money on the internet, then I've got something a little bit cooler for you that you can check out if you want. All right, so remember, this is a rebate website to help you to save some money. But if you really want to use the internet to generate income, then it's not one of those types of websites. But let me show you some of the ways that I generate money using the internet, because in this day and age, you should be leveraging the internet to make some money, because there's so many ways to do it. Okay, so one easy way is to go to this website here. It's called surveypolice.com. Okay, you want to check it out, just go to surveypolice.com. And this again is a legitimate website that gives you a whole host of different online survey sites and GPT style websites that you can click on to make money. Okay, so the online sites, if you just come to online surveys and click on top rated online surveys, they will give you a list of top rated online surveys dependent on your location. Okay, so I'm based in Malaysia, so it's going to give me a whole list of online survey websites that are relevant for my country. Opini surveys and Univox community, right? So all you would do is you would join these survey websites, and basically they will start to send you surveys based on your location, and you will earn anywhere from 50 cents to $2 per survey that you fill out. So not too bad. Okay, the problem with surveys is they don't send you tons of surveys every day. They only send you maybe one survey per week, or one survey every couple of weeks. All right, because depending on their clients and depending on your demographic, they can only send you surveys that are relevant to you at that particular time. All right, but it is real money, and you can withdraw your money once you hit usually a threshold of about $10, and they'll usually send that money directly to your PayPal account. All right, now that's online survey websites. GPT websites are more websites where you get paid to do little tasks. Okay, like Prize Rebel, Swagbucks. These are some of the biggest GPT style websites in the world, and you can make a little bit of money from, again, filling out surveys, from downloading their offers, from watching ads, okay, and clicking on different things depending on what style of website they are, right? On games as well, and you can take part in games and make a little bit of money. But again, it's not designed to make you rich, okay? So with Prize Rebel and Swagbucks, even though these guys are, they're big websites. They've been around. Look at Prize Rebel's been around since 2007, and they've paid out $22 million to their customers all over the world. But understand that from these kind of websites, you're going to be investing quite a lot of time. We're talking about, maybe a couple of hours a day, and you'll really only make a few cents, okay? Because they pay out roughly about 1 cent per action that you take. So you have to think about that for a second. In order for you to make $1, you're going to have to do 100 actions, because that's 100 cents, right? So to take 100 actions, that does take a while. That will take you a few hours, right? So a few hours of work will get you roughly about $1. Okay, so 1 to 2, 3 hours of work will get you roughly about $1. So you do the math on that, right? If you spend, 2 hours a day on Prize Rebel, you're earning roughly about $1 a day, right? So $1 a day, that's roughly about $30 per month. It's not that much money, okay? It is money, and this is a way for you to start earning some money online, but it's not life-changing income, and they are not advertised to make life-changing income. They're just saying, hey, we're going to be able to give you a little bit of money for the time you invest on our website. It's free. It doesn't require you to learn any skills. So remember that if it's a zero skill set website like Prize Rebel, or one of these online websites like Opini Surveys or Univox, zero skills means that they pay you very, very little money. Okay, now let me show you another way that you can start to make money online, and this is how I make a lot of my money, right? Where it's a high skill set. That means you have to learn how to do this. It's going to require a bit of time, invest in your skill set, time and money and energy, right? Because again, this is a high paying skill set. But let me show you the type of income that you can potentially earn, right? So this is one of the products that I promote. This is an online training. You can see this is really my website, right? This is not a screenshot. You can see this is an active live website, and you can see here that I've generated $98,161.72. Now, what am I doing here? Well, what I'm doing here is I am basically doing affiliate marketing. I am recommending a product to a group of people that actually want to buy the product. All right. So all I'm doing is I'm connecting people together with a product that they want to have anyway. All right. So a group of people that have a problem, I find a product that helps them to solve that problem, and I connect them together. They make a purchase. I generate a commission. Very, very simple, right? Now, I'm selling multiples of these products. This is just one website. But when you understand how to do this, you can generate life-changing style income, right? But this is a high skill, this is a high income skill set, right? So you need to learn how to do this. You need to learn how to find the audience. You need to learn to find the right products, and you need to find out how to bridge this gap in a very, very nice way so that people actually want to buy the product. Now, it's not difficult. You just have to learn how to do this, okay? So there are a few different ways that you can approach this online, right? Now, again, $98,000, that's not too shabby. Most people don't even make this a year in their full-time job, right? So this is life-changing income. Imagine if you've got multiples of these websites, which I do, right? And I teach my students how to do this as well. This is some crazy income, right? This is kind of like retirement income. This is travel the world type income. This is, retire your parents type income, right? It's pretty amazing. Okay, all in US dollars as well. All right. So you have a few different options. You've obviously got, the rebate style website where you're saving a little bit of money on the purchases you make. So this is a good start, right? There are a lot of these ways to leverage and save a little bit of money online. So you can check out Rebaid. If you want to start to make a little bit of money online, and this is for free, it's a zero income skill set. You can check out online surveys or GPT style websites at surveypolice.com. Okay, nice lists here, right? Or if you want to earn big money, but this is a high income skill set and you're gonna have to learn how to do this, then you can check out what I'm doing, right? And I have a very deep free workshop that you can check out right now if you want. And all you need to do to check out that workshop to learn this skill and learn how to generate this kind of income from the comfort of your home, all you need is an internet connection and your laptop or computer. All you need to do is register for my free workshop. Just go ahead and click the link directly below this video or hit the arrow on the right hand side, okay? And on the next page, register for the workshop. Check your email because sometimes the email ends up in spam, all right? And then check out the workshop. Go through it, it's very detailed, and I'm gonna show you how this really works. So that if you want to learn how to generate this style of income from the comfort of your home, wherever you are in the world, this works globally, then you can learn how to do this as well. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and this review of Rebaid. Check it out if you would like, and I hope to see you on the workshop. Take care.